Hi, it's me with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video kind of like this morning, but I thought I'd add a few more steps because we were talking about nudge and the math and center. I'm going to grab all three of these objects and I'm going to hit center. Now I'm going to grab one of the rectangles and grab my outside with the shift tool and hit T. That put it to the top. I'm going to grab my other rectangle, hold down the shift, grab my circle, and I'm going to hit B for the bottom. I'm going to take my other one, hold down the shift key, and select L. Take that. So always select the one you want to move first. Hit R to the right. Now, what we did this morning, we nudged this up 1/2 inch. I'm going with the up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key, left arrow key. So now they're all spaced out perfectly, and you can weld them together and you get that object. I don't know why you would ever draw that, but everything's perfectly equal just by using the nudge and a few shortcut strokes and get everything perfect. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.